Allô, parents, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui vient jeudi encore avec une autre vidéo côté. Si moun yo pral faire même pratique nous te kon fait avant pour côté yo pral faire son. Premièrement, yo pral faire son et puis deuxièmement, yo pral mettre son yo ensemble pour le faire mot. OK, nous connaît comme moi toujours dit. Premier type ou logon ti moun ou montrer l'alphabet, le vin kon alphabet lan li kon son, le vin mette son yo vin bay mot yo vin bay mot li wè dans tout livre. OK? So c'est comme ça ti moun apprend li. Eh bien, parents, I want to let you know this is a blending CVC words. So please have your children watch it. This is what they're going to be doing. They're going to be doing the sound first, after the sound, and then they're going to be doing blending, and then after they blend it, they're going to tell you the word. Okay, so please watch the video with your child until they master the skills that they needed. Remember, reading is about knowing the alphabet. After you know the alphabet, you know your sound. After you know your sound, you know how to put it together. After you know how to put it together, then you know how to read. It's the same process, okay? So let's get going reading. So this is all covering with CVC words in this video. Children of any age could watch it. What I mean by any age, a 4-year-old could watch this. If they know the alphabet and they know the sound, they could watch it and they could read it. A 5-year-old, a 6-year-old, and you could even have a 3rd grader who does not have the level understanding what a CVC word is. You could have them watch that and they should catch it really quick. Video sa ne pas ti moun ka gade, on ti moun 4 ans, on ti moun 4 ans qui sens si kon tout let li, kon tout son li, kon ya la ou préparé pour montrer ki jan pou li. Ou kon ti moun en première année, 3e année qui pa kon li, donc à utiliser la veille ou faire pratique avec yo pour ba yo support que yo manqué. Okay, so let's go on nous aller. B A N B A N B A N. Your turn. Very good. If you say B A N, very good. So let's do it together one more time. B on, B on. Put it together now. Bun. Very good. M A G, M A G, M A G. Your turn. M A G. Put it together now. M A G, M A G. Put it together. Mug. R A G, R A G, R A G. Your turn. R A G. Very good. If you say R A G, very good. Let's do it together. R A G, R A G. Put it together now. Rug. Put it together. Rug. K A B, K A B, K A B. Your turn. Your turn. K A B. Very good. If you say K A B. Very good. Let's do it together now. K A B, K A B. Put it together now. What is the word? Cub. Very good. Cub. T. Your turn. Very good. If you say you very good job. You said the sound right. Let's do it together. Art. Art. Let's put it together. Hut. Hut is a type of house. Your turn. Very good. Very good. That was so nice and loud. Let's do it together. Put it together now. Sun. B. 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 Your turn. Very good. If you say b, that was very good. Let's do it together. B. Put it together. Tub. Now I need you to speak loud when you're reading, okay? Your turn. Very good. Put it together now. Cut. Your turn. Very good. Very good. So you said it nice and loud. Let's do it one more time together. Put it together. Sum. Very good. See number 4? Number 4 is the sum of 2 plus 2. B, a, d. B, a, d. Your turn. B, a, d. Very good. If you went b, a, d. Very good. Let's do it together. B, a, d. B, a, d. Put it together now. Bud. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Thank you. Make sure, boys and girls, you watch the video often and you practice your word. So like that, when you go to the classroom and you're reading your words, you raise your hand and your teacher say, oh my goodness, what makes you so smart, Sabrina? So you can say, oh, I'm so smart because because Miss Jerome showed me how to read my words. So make sure, guys, make sure parents, when you got a video souvent pour you vin fluent nan moyo et puis comme ça pour ti moun yo ka connaît. So ti moun make sure de regarder vidéo comme ça lor rive dans classe professeur dit mes amis ça faut intelligent comme ça ti petit pour dire oh c'est Miss Jerome qui fait intelligent comme ça. Et bien c'était tout ça Miss Jerome te gen pour nos parents mieux, zanmi mieux que bon Dieu bénisse nous. Have a blessed day. Parents, that's all I had for you. Have a wonderful blessed day. Bye. Until next time.